Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today to discuss a critical topic in the world of technology, which is product security. As our reliance on connected devices and software grows, ensuring their security is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Over the next few slides, we will explore what product security is, why it matters, and how we can incorporate it effectively throughout the project lifecycle. So, what exactly is product security? At its core, product security involves safeguarding products, be it hardware, software, or services, from cyber threats. This protection must span the entire life cycle of a product from its initial design to its eventual decommissioning. Why is it important? A lack of product security can lead to catastrophic breaches, loss of customer trust, and hefty regular fines. Organizations that prioritize security build resilient products and stronger relationship with their customers. Let's have a look to the key principles of product security. First, security by design, which means embedding security into the product from day one rather than adding it as an afterthought. Next is management, which ensures that potential threats are identified and mitigated proactively. Then the principle of least privilege, which restricts user to only what is absolutely necessary, reducing the risk of misuse. We must also ensure secure updates so that products stay resilient against evolving threats. And finally, data protection, which is crucial to safeguard sensitive information. Together, these principles create a robust foundation for secure products. Now, to build a secure product, we must understand the threats they face. These include malware and ransomware, which can compromise functionality or hold data hostage. Supply chain attacks, which targets the development or delivery process to introduce vulnerabilities. Unauthorized access are another example, which can expose sensitive data or allow malicious activities. Exploiting software vulnerabilities is another common method used by attackers, and we can't forget about insider threats, where someone within the organization can harm, whether intentionally or unintentionally. Frameworks and standards provide us the best practices and guidelines for implementing product security. For example, ISA 62443 focuses on securing industrial systems. ISO 27001 guides information security management across industries. OWASP ASVS addresses application security specifically, and NIST cybersecurity framework helps organizations manage and reduce risks to their infrastructure. These frameworks are not just theoretical, they provide actionable steps to strengthen security. Now, let's understand one thing, that product security is not a one time activity. It's an ongoing process integrated into development lifecycle, which you see on the screen. So, it starts with requirements, ensuring they address security. During the design and architecture, threat modeling is a key. In the development phase, secure coding practices are essentials. Testing involves finding and fixing vulnerabilities before release. Even after deployment, security doesn't stop. Maintenance ensures the product remains secure through patches and updates. Each stage of lifecycle is an opportunity to enhance security. Now, to ensure secure product, here are some key practices that we must adopt. The first one is to conduct a threat modeling to identify and address risks early. Then is perform code reviews to catch vulnerabilities in the development phase. The next one is secure authentication and authorization mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access. Then the use of encryption to protect sensitive data in transit and at rest. And finally, regularly test and audit products to ensure ongoing security. These practices are not just technical, they are essential habits for secure product development. Now, let's consider a real world example of what happens when our product security fails. So, what you see on the screen is a case study of a IoT device vulnerability. This breach resulted in financial losses, reputational damage, and regulatory fine. What is the key takeaway here? Product security should never be an afterthought. Integrating security early and maintaining vigilance can prevent such incidents. Of course, product security isn't without its challenges. There is the constant tension between security and usability. User demand convenience, but that can sometimes conflict with security measures. Rapid development cycle can lead to overlooked vulnerabilities. Emerging threat requires continuous adaptation, and managing third-party dependencies like open source libraries or outsourced components adds complexity. Addressing these challenges regularly requires a balanced and a very proactive approach. Now let's see some of the future trends in product security. AI and machine learning will play a big role in detecting threats faster and more accurately. Zero trust architectures are being adopted to ensure every access attempt is verified regardless of origin. We are also seeing advances in cryptography that will make data protection stronger than ever. And as IoT and edge devices proliferate, securing them will remain a top priority. So, this was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one.